Hey guys, another tutorial here from Pulse Multimedia. Tonight I want to cover some search engine optimization techniques. It's one of the most common things that we get asked over at Pulse Multimedia. How do I get better Google rankings for my business name or keywords, things like that. So the first thing I'll show you is our website. So this is it. And I'll take you into the source code. Now you can do this on any web page using any web browser. I've got Chrome running here, so all I need to do is right click and view the page source. This has the HTML code for the entire website set out in front of you. What we're looking at is the head section. So in here is where you put all of your metadata. Now metadata is data about data, so we're describing what's in our web page. It has things like keywords, the content description, links to style sheets, the title of the page, what type of encoding we're using, things like that. So I'll show you what we need to do. For argument's sake, let's say we're setting up this website from scratch and we want to add some search engine optimization to it so we get a better result in Google. This is what we want to do. I've got the basic body set out here, and I'll zoom in for you. So, in your head section, you're going to need to set up some tags for meta name, description and content. Now, description is going to be the description of your page. So, as we are a graphic design and web design business, we can type in something like Pulse Multimedia provide graphic and web design services. Make it short just so I can show you how to do this in the tutorial. The next one that you want to add in is a meta tag for keywords. Now this will be what gets assigned to your web page when people search certain terms. So if they search graphic design, it'll search every page that has content of a graphic design. So when you place in graphic design, you separate every keyword or key phrase even with a comma. So website design, photography, anything that is relevant to your web page. Now keep in mind there's a couple of rules for these, particularly from Google, that determine what you can put into the keywords and how to use them. So flooding your web page with overused and repeating keywords can even get you banned from Google results, which is not what you want. So go through and read some of their details. I'll put a link to that at the bottom of the video. But this is how you would take the first step and get more results. To give you an idea, when we first launched the website, we did a little experiment to see how effective this was. And without a word of a lie, our page views and hits from unique visitors jumped 120% after we added in these keywords. We tested over a 2-week period without the metadata and then added the metadata in, and it jumped 120%. So this is very good at getting your site noticed. After that, close your tags and you're done with your metadata. Now, of course, you can go through and add in a lot more. So we've got all sorts of things in here for location, what we do, how we do it, things like that. Just things that we use, anything and everything that's relevant. There are a lot more ways to get your website noticed, like add in the web URL to web crawlers or web bots, as they're also known, and also add in it to directories. I'll place all these links below the video. But I hope you learnt a quick technique to get in more page views and try implement it on your site and see how much your stats jump. But thanks for watching. This has been Drew from Pulse Multimedia. Head over to the website if you need any more help, www.pulsemultimedia.com.au, and subscribe if you like our videos.